best goalkeeper of the tournament, best player of the tournament. Top scorer is from French Guiana with 9 goals, Brian Boyce, who lost yesterday against Martinica 4-1. So what a great tournament. Watch out with the trophy. And now we are so close to see that trophy lift up. Captain Miguel Joseph for Haiti is going to lift up the future. Start now. So Haiti's taking all the prizes in this tournament. Beautiful medals. And now please receive Haiti under 14 national team. They are going to lift up the trophy. Number 5, Miguel Joseph, captain of this great team. And Haiti are the champions of this Caribbean Football Union 2022.
And the Haiti rise up the trophy of CFU Under 14 Challenge Series 2022 here in Estadio Olímpico, Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Haiti wins his second CFU Under 14 in consecutive years.
¿Cuál es tu Instagram?